Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can link your Epic Games account to your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can use a voice changer on the PlayStation 4 and also the PlayStation 5 and also the best voice changers for the PlayStation 5. So right now we're going to go to how to use the voice changer. So before we discuss the best voice changer for PS4 and PS5, it's important to understand how to use them. While the specific steps may vary depending on the voice changer you choose, here is a general step-by-step guide on how to get a voice changer on your PlayStation 4 and your PlayStation 5. First of all, access the settings menu on your PlayStation 5 and locate Remote Play. Enable the Remote Play option and then choose the voice changer software and then install it on your device. Launch the software once installed. Go to its setting and configure the input and output preferences. Your mic can be your input device. The output device could be your headphone or your speaker. Find the voice changer option within the voice changer software and activate the Hear Myself feature. You can now explore the available voice effects and select the desired one. Now, open the system settings on your computer and navigate to the Sounds menu. Set your voice changer software as the default microphone under the default microphone setting. Next, access the PlayStation official website and download the Remote Play app. Sign into the app and then connect your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 to it. You're all set. Enjoy gaming with your transformed voice. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.